Welcome, friend. I am so glad that you're joining me this morning. I personally have some pretty bad back injuries, and therefore I suffer from back pain often. These are the poses and stretches that I use to help relieve some of this back pain. Let's get started. You're going to want a pillow handy, and let's just come on down to our backs. Settling in, taking a big deep breath. The knees are bent here, and we're just going to start with some gentle pelvic tilts. So if it's easier for you to recognize when you're tilting your pelvis, you can have your hands on your hip. Inhale, flatten the low back and tilt your spine up slightly. Exhale, you're arching now, and the tailbone goes into the earth. We're going to do this for 3 big breaths. Little tiny movements, arching up. You can see how my back flattens and my tailbone lifts. Last one. Good, just getting a little bit of mobility in that lower spine. Go ahead and draw your knee into your chest, placing your fingers on top of that knee, and you're just like a tug of war. You're going to press the knee up into the hand and then the hands into the knee. And that little bit of resistance is going to help flatten your back to the floor. Breathe. Now extend that leg straight up and just place your fingers around this thigh and pressing the back of the thigh into the hand and the hands into the thigh. This is going to release kind of that front hip muscle. Last big deep breath. Coming into figure 4, we're just dropping the shin over top of your thigh and lacing back behind this other thigh, drawing in gently, right? So we're not trying to go deep here, but if you rock slightly from side to side, just a little bit, you will kind of find that sweet spot that really gets into that outer hip and up into your low back. And release. Let's switch sides. Trying the knee in. Placing the fingers on the knee. Like a tug of war, press the knee into the hand, hand into the knee, flattening your low back. Breathe. And extending the leg up. Lacing your fingers back behind your thigh, pressing the thigh into the fingers, fingers into the thigh. Breathe. And coming into figure 4, that shin goes over top of your thigh, lacing your fingers through the figure 4. Behind the back of the thigh and just drawing in. Little tiny movements here, finding that sweet spot to get into your hip, which then, if your hips are tight, pulls on the spine. That's what happens to me. Breathe. And release. Okay, hugging in both knees. Try to relax your legs completely. Let your arm muscles do the work. Place your hands on top of your knees, and you're going to extend the arms and bend the elbows. Really focus on relaxing that low back, right? When our backs go out, everything tightens. Man, it's so painful. So just really focus on relaxing. We're going to take these knees in circles. Your circles can be as big or as little as feels good for you today. And switching directions. Wonderful. Okay, now when our low backs hurt, the last thing we want to do is to try to sit up. So roll to one side. Use both of your hands to help push yourself up. Good, let's come to all fours. Take your time getting there, especially if your back hurts today. And let's just do some gentle cat-cows. Exhale, curl up. Inhale, melt, really trying to get that range of motion. If you feel any kind of pinching in your low back, you're going too deep, right? So really listening to your body and honoring where you're at. 2 more. Exhale, draw up. Inhale, melt. And last one. Good. This is where the pillow comes in handy. You may need a couple pillows if you're super tight. We're coming into a supported child's pose to really help relax the spine. So using your pillow, bring it right up against your belly and just come down. You can use your hands for support here. You can fist for your forehead, or if you need another pillow for your forehead, go ahead and do that. Really just focusing on relaxing with each exhale. Think about taking a big full breath and relax those muscles in that low back. Last breath. Using your hands again to help support your spine to come up. And removing that pillow, we're going to stay here if this is okay for your knees. The reason is because, as you know, if your low back hurts, sitting can feel very painful because it puts that pressure on the spine. And so I have found that this works for me is now there's no pressure on my spine at all. And I'm just going to take 3 full breaths here. Last deep breath. And coming on down to a seated position. Last one, we're just going to inch our fingertips forward, not far at all, and drop the crown of your head. Curl the spine slightly, just a little bit of movement here. And you'll notice when your back hurts, just dropping the crown of your head is a lot. So breathe into this. You can walk your hands as far as feels comfortable for you today. And bringing your hands back. Placing your right hand over your heart, cupping it with your left. Taking a moment for gratitude for your body. And for giving yourself the gift of self-care today. I hope that your back starts to feel better, my friend. Have a beautiful day.